5 reasons why our SuperEssentials Omega is the most potent, most advanced, purest, most sophisticated fish oil omega-3 on the market. Number 1, only sourced from the absolute purest fish in the sea.
We get the fish from the front side of the food chain: salmon, mackerel, tuna, herring, sardines. These are all fish that are omega-3, but we're focusing on the sardines and the anchovies as the front side of the food chain, because when bigger fish eat those fish, the biggest fish is the most toxic. So we start with the purest fish oils, and then we infuse the antioxidants.
So most companies, when they do omega-3, they will get it from towards the end of the food chain. But what happens if you hear mercury is high in fish, right? So small fish has a little bit of mercury, bigger fish eats that, and then a bigger one eats that, and each step of the food chain gets more and more toxic, more and more heavy metals. So what we do is the front end of the food chain, so you bypass that completely, giving you the best results.
And then we ultra purify the fish oil after that.
Incredible. So it's clean. Number 2, not only is it the most sophisticated omega-3 on the market, but it is a broad spectrum antioxidant infused essential fatty acid compound. Now, what exactly does that mean?
What it means is that EPA and DHA is what you want out of omega-3. And EPA and DHA are powerful components. Most of the time you get overloaded with EPA and not enough DHA. DHA is what the brain is made of. But the problem is most formulations have overwhelming amounts of EPA and not enough DHA. So that balance is super important. So you might have a 180, 120 or a 500, 120. And what we did is balance it to 120, 120, which is the ideal ratio, 1-to-1 EPA, DHA.
Number 3, it's infused with broad spectrum fat-soluble antioxidants.
In addition to starting out with pure oils, we infuse them with the antioxidants that actually have a function in the body, in addition to keeping it from spoiling in the bottle. Like most companies, they have 1 milligram of D-alpha tocopherol, which is 1 fraction of 8 of vitamin E. So alpha, beta, gamma, delta tocotrienol, alpha, beta, gamma, delta tocopherol. So we have the full spectrum of vitamin E in addition to vitamins A and vitamin D, and D and vitamin A at the level of cod liver oil. In addition to that, we have astaxanthin, which is a small molecule antioxidant that is extraordinary in terms of antioxidant repair for the eyes and the brain and those sort of things.
So fish oil as a whole from most companies spoils. It goes rancid. So to protect it from oxidation, we add antioxidants. So you never have that rancid fish oil, that oxidation that happens with so many other brands. Number 4, the gel caps are made of buffalo gelatin, not cow, not pig like everyone else. And why is that?
We use ultra pure gelatin from buffalo, which is not exposed to those possibilities.
That's amazing. You know how much harder it is to get buffalo gelatin than pig gelatin? If that doesn't show you how committed we are to only giving you the best from every single detail of the product, I don't know what will. Number 5, it's been enhanced with vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin A, and vitamin K. Why do we do that?
Well, vitamin E is broad spectrum vitamin E. All you ever see in an essential fatty acid is 1/4 of a fraction of 4 fractions of D-alpha tocopherol.
So like an 1/8 of which.
So just a smidge, exactly. It's a smidge of vitamin E just to keep it from spoiling in the bottle. It doesn't help at all when it goes in your body. So we put vitamin D and A at the level of cod liver oil so that we can maximize immunity with this proper.
So then why do we use K2?
Because when you add D mobilizes calcium. K2 directs them.
Oh, so you're getting the most bang for the buck. So you see, it's really a joke to even compare this to other fish oil because it's so much more than that. You got the broad spectrum vitamins that are infused in there, the high antioxidants that are in there to cross that blood-brain barrier to make sure your brain, your eyes, your kidneys, your liver, your entire organs, everything. We always say that if you could only take one supplement the rest of your life to increase any level of your health of what you're going through, fish oil needs to be on this, and not just any fish oil. With this one in particular. So click the link, get some today. You will notice the difference right away.